Hi, Patrick.
Hi.
We want to play with balloons today, yeah?